children, welcome to I Love Science. In today's video, we will tell you some very interesting concepts about the structures on how do we make our bridges very strong. These are some simple concepts of geometry, but they are used to make very large structures and make them very strong. You must have seen some bridges like this, what you see in the pictures here, like railway bridges or pedestrian overpass bridges, etc. And you will observe that almost all of them have triangle structures in them, like the sample that I have here. But why do we make bridges like this when it is much easier and simpler to make square structures like these? Okay, so let's understand why do we make bridges with triangles and not like this. So let's take a closer look. So you see these two sample bridges, and I will tell you how we have made these. We have used rubber foam pieces of about 10 millimeter by 10 millimeter by 10. You may not have these at home. You can do simple erasers and cut them into smaller cubes like this, and then using double-sided toothpicks, if you attach them like this, okay, then you can make whatever structure you want, and then you can test how is the strength of that structure. So for example, I have quickly connected this square from these toothpicks and rubber pieces like this. Okay, now let me also make one triangle, and then I will be able to explain to you the concept of strength of structure. So you see, we have one square and one triangle. Now the triangle is normally a very strong structure. Once you make it like this, you cannot bend it or twist it easily. But in a square, you will see that if I apply some pressure here, then I can easily change the shape of this. That is the property of a triangle as against to any other shape. So this way, if we make a bigger structure like these bridges, and let's see and test their strength. So let me keep this bridge here, and I want to see whether this bridge is strong or not. So what I can do, I will put some weight on top of it, and then you have to observe whether this bridge goes down or not. So let me keep this here, and you observe whether the bridge goes down a little bit. Okay, so you saw that bridge actually bent down a little bit when I kept this weight on top of it. You see this again? Okay, now let's do the same test with a triangle bridge. So here, and let's keep the same weight again on this. You will see that when I am putting the weight or removing it, the bridge does not get bent downwards. That means it has a stronger structure, and that is the reason that we always prefer making strong structures with triangles and not with squares. So I hope you like this concept. You can try making these bridges with toothpicks and pieces of eraser. Now I want you to do two things. One, search on internet about pictures of bridges which have triangles or other structures, and then you can post those pictures in the comments below. Also let me know that why do you think these triangles make bridges stronger. So find that out, give your answers in the comments below, and don't forget to like our page so that you do not miss any future fun science videos that we will be posting. Thank you.